These $83,000 shoes were the precursor to the Jordan 1. I was able to procure these 1980 game-worn Michael Jordan shoes on eBay just a few months ago. I fell in love after researching Michael Jordan's early career at Laney High. When I was younger, I was a prolific buyer and seller of Jordan 1s. While these shoes are expensive, they're not a glamorous, flashy piece like some other expensive footwear. Furthermore, despite being over 40 years old, the leather has held up in incredible condition, and the soles are still springy and supportive. The red and white, as well as the almost Nike swoosh that would become synonymous with Jordan, are so clearly pronounced in these shoes. Let me know, would you buy these $83,000 pre-Jordan 1s?